In this video, I'll guide you through how to add custom CSS to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to tweak the look of your site or make more substantial design changes, adding custom CSS can give you the flexibility you need. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate custom styles into your Squarespace site. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your website dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site, from content to design. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you want to navigate to the section labeled Website and then click on Pages. This is where you'll find the layout and structure of your current site, which is helpful for understanding where your custom CSS will be applied. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the sidebar navigation. You'll see an option for website tools. Click on this to reveal a set of additional tools that can help enhance your website's functionality and appearance. From there, you're going to select Custom CSS. This action opens up a split screen panel. On the left side, you'll find your code editor workspace, and on the right, you'll see a live visual preview of your site layout. This setup allows you to see changes in real time as you make them, providing instant feedback on how your customizations affect the overall design. Now, it's time to write your custom CSS code rules. If you're familiar with CSS, this is where your creativity can really shine. You can modify colors, fonts, spacing, and much more to align with your vision for your website. If you're new to CSS, it might be helpful to start with simple changes and gradually move to more complex styles as you become more comfortable. Once you've added your CS code, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the code editor. Clicking this will ensure that all your changes are preserved and applied to your site. It's always a good idea to review the live preview on the right side to confirm that everything looks just as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom CSS to your Squarespace website. This simple yet powerful tool can significantly enhance your site's appearance, giving you the creative freedom to make it uniquely yours. Remember, as you experiment with different styles, always keep your site's overall design and user experience in mind. Happy customizing and enjoy the new look of your website.